Hey everyone, it's Jessica. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into a super important but often overlooked component of your car, the cabin air filter. So first off, let's talk about why this matters. The cabin air filter helps keep the air in your car clean by filtering out dust, pollen, and other pollutants. This ensures better air quality and a more comfortable ride. And let's be honest, a bad bitch should never be breathing bad air. So let's locate it. In most vehicles, your cabin air filter is going to be located inside your glove box towards the back. To access it, just pull down to remove the panel. Pinch the sides and pull out. And finally, the fun part. Let's pull out the filter. Check it for any debris. As you can see, I've got leaves in there and everything else. I remember one time I found a spider in here, so beware. And now you can put your freshie in there. Just to make sure the arrows, if your filter has it, are pointing towards the way the air flows. Snap the door back on there. Definitely want to make sure you hear it snap. And finally, put your panel door back on. And that's it. You've just changed your cabin air filter, ensuring fresh air and saving you money. If you guys found this video helpful, press like and subscribe below. I'll see you all next time for more easy DIY car maintenance tips.